the eye. Each one craft within teaches hearts to die. Love stands at the door, but cannot find the key. Two rooms I've still before from how I used to be. They reach with gentle hands. I feel them through the glass. No one can still surround. Nothing seemed to pass. The child in me still just screams from corners dark and cold. Why I live between the heart I've been never told. My body holds the weight of broken trust. Each memory creates walls that turns to dust. I